so today we will see another experiment on the flower. So there are so many students who don't know the different parts of the flowers. Even if they know, they don't know in detail. So we will see one by one. We will cut this flower. So I have taken this hibiscus flower. As you can clearly see, this is so beautiful flower, right? So here you can see how it looks. So it's orange and it is having a double shade, and this is the lower part. So this is how a complete flowers look alike. Okay, and we will name each of the part. Okay, each of the flowers parts. So I need to cut this flower. So I'm actually wearing this hand gloves. So if you are going to do this experiment at home with the help of the blade, please be aware of wearing the hand gloves. Okay, so that is nothing but the pedicle, that part where that flower is attached to the stem, that is called as a pedicle, and the upper part, that green color leafy structure, is nothing but the that part actually protects the what I can say, that is called as a calyx, and that part actually protects the flower bud. Okay, so that is the calyx. Okay, and that the one which is coming in between is nothing but the petals, or we can also call it as the corolla. So these are the petals. How many petals are there? One. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 petals are there. Okay, and this that stem part, or the sticky, no, not sticky part, actually this is nothing but the filament. Okay, the rod like structure which is coming outward. Okay, on which the orange color dots are there. Okay, as you can clearly see, let me just focus the camera on it. Okay, so you can clearly see that is nothing but the stigma. Okay, so on the stigma, it's a sticky part. So as you can clearly see that is, no, it's a very clear view. So on that stigma, the anther particles actually stick, and anther is nothing but, what is the anther? As below of the stigma, that yellow colored particles are there. Okay, I will show you with the arrowhead. Okay, those yellow color particles are nothing but the anther. Okay, so on the stigma, that gets stick to it. See, that is the orange color one, is the nothing but the stigma. Okay, so clearly you can see, and the below part, see here, so that is nothing but the anthers, and these anthers will stick to there. Okay, so there are so many anthers, and this is nothing but the male gametes. We call it as a male gamete. So the upper part is nothing but the reproductive organ, and that is nothing but the male reproductive organ, the stigma. Okay, this upper stigma and the anther togetherly called as the male reproductive organ, and we call it as a style. Okay, the below which, no, the holding part of that anther style is called as the filament. Okay, that holding, that is with the one which is holding the stigma and anther, is nothing but the filament, and below that there is a ovary, so that is covered with the petal. We will remove the petals, and we will be able to see how it looks. Ovary is present over there. Okay, so that see, in this video you can see clearly that this is a bulgy part. Okay, I will show you in another video. Okay, here it is. See, so this is nothing but the bulgy part is carrying that what I can say, ovary. Now here you can see I have cutted this flower into different parts, and I have named it, and it looks like a 3D diagrams, right? But actually this is the cutted parts of the flowers. So the stem on which it has been attached, that part is called as a pedicle. Okay, so all my dear students, please remember all these things. So bird which protects the flower bud, okay, the part of the greeny leafy structure, that is nothing but the calyx, and these are the petals. How many petals we counted? 5 petals, right? 5 petals we have counted. Okay, so these are the petals, or also we can call it as a corolla. And the next lower part is the ovary, and the upper part is the male reproductive and female reproductive. We will see the male first. Okay, so the orange color which I have shown you, that is nothing but the stigma, and the yellow colored, particles are nothing but the anther. Okay, so this is the anther, and the next is style, togetherly called as a style, and this whole part is nothing but the male reproductive organ. And the next is ovary. Next is nothing but the ovary, and I will show you the cutted part of it also. So ovary is nothing but a female reproductive organ. Let me just cut this and you will be able to see this here it is. So as you can see, this is the cutted part of the ovary. Oh, I just no, this is the vertical section. Okay, so ovary contains ovum in it, and that ovum is nothing but the eggs. Okay, ovum is nothing but the eggs. So whenever I like I already told you that, so that the sticky part is nothing but the stigma, right? So on the stigma, these anther particles get attached, and these stigma sticks is attached to the filament. So through filament, okay, through that filament, this anther will goes inside, and that will go inside to the ovary. See that part which is going below? From that the anther will go down, and then it will reach to the ovary. Okay, and it will hatch the egg, or it will no, like ovary and plus those anther will form the zygote. So fertilization will take place. Okay, and after that the fruit will form. Okay, after that the fruit will form. So after developing of this zygote, the fruit will get formed. So this is how it looks. If you go with the microscope or no, like then you will be able to see to it clearly. Using the camera you won't be able to see, like with a very magnifying views, you won't be able to see the magnifying views. So this is the stigma and anther. Always remember, stigma and anther togetherly called as style, and that is the male reproductive organ. Okay, petals and corolla. Okay, this is nothing but the pedicle, this is nothing but the calyx, and these are the ovary, ovum, female reproductive organ. So always remember what comes in the male reproductive organ and what comes in female reproductive organ. Okay, and guys, so these are all the parts of the flowers we have studied in details. Okay, bye guys. Okay, bye guys, take care.